team no one. As a student of this fast-paced generation, we often struggle with craving instant gratification, constant distraction, short attention span. This makes us victim of doom scrolling on social media. And the result, when we attend lecture, we zone out, lose focus, and sometimes go completely blank. But what if we could turn this problem into opportunity? What if we could use the same tool and habit that distract us to actually enhance our learning? That's where our solution comes in, a personalized and engaging framework for learning designing to speak the language for our generation. Imagine this, quickly scrolling through the short clips that focus on concept you're struggling with, turning hours of passive video into actionable and impactful knowledge. As a student, this is the exactly kind of a tool we need to stay engaged, efficient, and ahead of curve. And how it's work? We track real-time student engagement using metric like comment, question asked during the lecture, and dynamic quiz after each subtopic. For concept students struggling with, we analyze engagement data and lecture recording and note to identify gap. We then create personalized AI-generated short video or podcasts, such as animated reel and infographics or practical project-based example to help students grasp this topic. And feedback tools like dislike button help refine the process for even better learning outcome. Zoom, purpose built for education with video lecture and AI-generated transcripts, provides the ideal platform to create targeted bite-sized clip that helps students efficiently review and grasp the concepts. Thank you.